The Jazzy Air 2 will arrive in 3 boxes, one containing the shroud, one containing the seat, and one containing the base. The owner's packet will contain the hardware, Allen wrenches, and wire ties needed for complete setup. To start, remove the right battery box and connect the right battery in order to power up the unit. Locate the joystick harness tucked in the front storage compartment and plug the joystick and LED light switch in and power up the unit. Elevate the seat plate to its highest level to make it easier to access and secure the seat using the 4 socket head bolts and washers provided in the owner's packet. You will need the 6mm Allen wrench provided as well. Line up the holes on the seat with the holes in the seat plate. Notice there are 3 different holes for attachment to center the user on the base. The seats are also depth adjustable by loosening the 2 outermost bolts on either side of the seat. This will give added comfort to the customers as well. After the seat is secure, attach the lower armrest receivers at the desired width by using the detent pin and thumb screws to tighten. Repeat on the other side. Next, slide the upper armrest into the lower and secure at the desired height by using the 4mm Allen wrench. The arms are also angle adjustable for added comfort. Next, attach the air switch to the securement bracket and secure it to the armrest opposite the joystick and use the wire ties provided to secure the harness. Note, always secure harnessing with the armrest in the upward position to allow for enough slack. Also, it may be easier to put the wire ties in the armrest holes before securing the bracket. Now secure the joystick to the other armrest, repeating the same steps. Secure the harnessing to the armrest and then under the seat plate. Make sure there are no areas where the harness could get snagged or pinched. Cut the excess ends of the wire ties flush so there is no sharp edges that can scratch or cut the consumer. Now place the front shroud on the unit by sliding the tabs into the appropriate holes. Next, slide the rear shroud half into the front and line up the holes. Use the 2 thumb screws to secure. Now that your Jazzy Air 2 is set up, take notice of some of the important benefits, such as the new cantilever style lift. It has 12 inches of elevation that goes up in 11 seconds. It has a lower seat to floor height by 2 inches for easier use under tables and desks. The armrests are now width, height, and angle adjustable. The headrest is angle adjustable. It uses a rocker switch instead of an egg switch. There are 5 holes of height adjustment in the foot platform. The platform has a rubber inlet for grip and feel. It has 10 color shrouds to choose from: black pearl, tanzanite, garnet red, citrine yellow, sapphire blue, pink topaz, onyx black, ruby red, pearl white, and silver. With all of these improvements, the Jazzy Air 2 is sure to be an even bigger success. Thank you for choosing Pride Mobility for all your mobility needs.